everybody, my name is Joshua and this is my Auntie Susie.
Hi!
And
So what are we
today
doing tonight?
We are unboxing Feather the Owl, and the oils we choose is Longevity and Tangerine.
Show them. So why did you choose this one?
Because I liked the smell of Longevity last night.
Yeah, I wanted the peppermint, but it's like, Auntie Sassy, can we diffuse the longevity last night? Like, okay. He knows his oils, and we chose
Tangerine.
Tangerine.
It smells nice.
Yeah, he's been begging to unbox this one. He was even crying over it. So,
Last night.
who's this from?
From Auntie Susie to our baby blessing.
Yeah, baby blessing. So this is the moment.
So let's do this.
Yep.
And here's the manual. I read it.
Show them.
And here's the plugging thing.
Okay, open this up first.
Okay.
Let's show them how it looks like. Sit down, Joshua.
Here it is. The plug for my Feather Owl. Precious.
Okay,
Precious
slowly.
day
You
today.
can pull it up.
Can you pull it?
Oops.
Oh, there it is. And here it is. And here it is.
Ooh, I thought it's bigger, but show the size of it, Joshua. It's the size of your palm. This is super cute. I thought it would be like larger. Show them. It's like a palm size of a kid.
Mm-hmm. Head sized.
Yeah, head size. Yeah, yeah. You see?
Head sized.
Wow, this is so precious.
And we have to
So
order it.
precious. Okay. So what do we do?
Let's read the manual first.
I don't think we have enough time to read the manual.
No, I think no.
But this should last like 8 to 10 hours.
I think.
So, okay.
I
So let us just show them. See this precious? I think I want one for my room now because I love birds. And remember one time you were asking what would you be if you get what kind of animal you want? I said bird. So you just lift this up and then is it attached or not?
Yes, it is attached.
Oh, it is attached already, so it's easy. So we brought this water.
Hi, everybody. This is the vlog of our part 2.
Yes, so we had to edit it because yes. So this is the feather owl. We've already shown you how tiny and how precious. No wonder everyone's so dying to see this one. Are you excited?
Yep, I'm
I
excited.
know. Look how tiny and precious. It's like for every kids. Or maybe like aunties like me also, right? So we figure out, in fact Joshua figured it out. So this comes off as one whole piece compared to other diffusers that there's a cup that you have to take out. And then Joshua figured this out where you plug.
Here.
So you see the tail of the owl? Let's show them.
Here.
Yeah, and then this comes off. You see? Just locate for the tail, wiggly tail.
And find
The hole.
the hole with a white thing.
Okay.
Pointing up.
Yeah.
So let's just put water first.
We didn't read the thing, but
Yeah.
we are a pro, right?
Yep. We are a pro together.
Yeah.
What's gonna work?
Teamwork.
Oopsie. And
Okay, and then you do a few drops.
few drops in.
Okay. Look. So I'd like to start it conservatively. I'll do a few drops in the beginning, maybe 3 drops. Just 3 drops.
two.
No, just do 3 drops because it's a small room, so we can do 5 to 6.
Is that 5?
No, just follow Auntie Sassy. Okay.
1,
I say 2. Did I say 2 or 3?
3.
3. Okay.
1.
1, 2, 3. Ooh, that's a lot. And then we'll do 2 of this longevity. This could be a little strong. So do you know, guys, that longevity is from the word itself, longer life, and it's good for your immunity. All right, 2 drops, Joshua.
1, 2.
Did it drop really?
Yeah.
Did?
I did.
Oh, you did alright. Okay. I didn't see.
Yeah, because
Alrighty. We already put in the water. It smells good.
Mhm.
Yep. And then we're gonna cover it. So I was saying that when you cover it, just locate for the eye part, the eye of the owl, and then you cover it just like that. So in the back of this is the music. Ooh, there's some built-in music, and also
A sound.
the volume. That's cool. So let's try to plug it. Joshua, are you ready? Oops. Remember to always cover your essential oils, especially when it's around kids. Seal it tight, and Auntie Seth is going to plug it in from here. Okay? Excited. Let's do it.
Turn it on.
Let's try.
Oh, tickle Fetter's feet. Tickle Fetter. Tickle Fetter's
You
feet.
hear it?
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Tickle? What's gonna happen? Oh, Joshua knew it. So when you tickle it, does that happen?
Yeah.
He knew it. How did you know that, Joshua?
And here it is from here. Tickle Fetter's feet to wake up your owl fan.
That's smart. Give me a high five. So smart. So in the box, Joshua's a reader. He loves books. So when he saw this one, this is the on the side of the box. You will see the feather owl diffuser features and what it includes, and the nightlight function. There's 10 different lighting options to fit any mood, and light can run independently of diffuser mode. That's cool. And they have it in other language, definitely Spanish. And this looks like function de luz nocturna. Yeah, I don't know what language this is, but I love that. That's so accessible that you don't have to go through the booklet, the manual, to see it. That's smart, Joshua. I'm proud of you. All right, so let's see if there's any changes. Can you hear that? It's a sound of the birds. Oh my god! I think I'm gonna buy this one for myself. That's exciting. It's meant for babies, but this is super duper cool.
What happened?
But it needs to. And then there's it. It can go so loud like that. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so how do we do the diffusing? Now we don't know what happened to the diffusing.
Oh, it turned red.
Yeah, you can touch the feather owl legs, and then it changes colors. It says it has 11 settings. Oh, it smells good.
What happened?
I don't know. Definitely there's more to find out. Did you have fun?
Yep.
Is it so exciting? Right? This sounds like waterfall. I like this one better. The sound of the birds chirping. Right?
I'll pick that for you.
Yeah. Bye everybody. Hope you had fun.